OpenAI faces a growing list of lawsuits, the latest coming from comedian and author Sarah Silverman. Silverman accusing the artificial intelligence system of copyright infringement. Here with the details, Yahoo Finance's Alexis Keenan. Alexis, what are we learning here?
Yes, so this is an area of law that is in a state of flux, so it's really hard to gauge how these things are going to turn out. But this is a lawsuit. It's a class action, purported class action by Silverman and other authors against OpenAI as well as Meta. And these are alleged violations of copyright laws. They also say the companies are getting unjustly enriched by using this information from their books, also saying that they're negligent and also saying that they're unfairly competing in these industries. The allegation is basically that these companies are illegally copying the material from their books, from their works, in order to train their systems. And I want to show an example of specifically what they are upset about here, these plaintiffs. When asked of ChatGPT to summarize, and here's the exact query that was made in the case of OpenAI, summarize in detail the first part of The Bedwetter, that's Sarah Silverman's book, by Sarah Silverman. Now, the ChatGPT model generated a 4-part summary, and I can't show it all here, but it is extensive. It is not the kind of summary that you would find by going to Amazon and looking up what is a summary of this particular novel, this particular book about. So it is very extensive. It's part by part by part. It also asks the model to tell us how does the book end, and it gives a summary of that. Now, the plaintiffs are saying there's no way that these models could do that without grabbing the entire book and scraping it and then putting out these summaries. And they also add that they believe, they're not sure, I'm going to read from the complaint, they say on information and belief, the reason that ChatGPT can accurately summarize a certain copyrighted book is because it was copied by OpenAI and ingested as part of its training data. That's from the AI suit. They believe, these plaintiffs, that these companies used shadow libraries, they're called, and these are illegal copies of books and other content on the internet. So they're trying to get their hands on that data, and they're probably going to be looking to discovery to be able to do that. But certainly, this suit is not the first one alleging a copyright violations. There are others that have come before it, but they're starting to become more and more high profile. Other cases have also alleged different types of legal theories. But bottom line is these are really raising the risks for these companies.